Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Hope you will like my video. If you like my video, please share, like and subscribe my channel. In this video, today I am going to teach question number 1 of exercise 7.1 coordinate geometry. Before coming to this question, you have to understand one formula which is called as distance formula. Now what is meant by this formula? It is like this. Suppose you are given two points A and B. Point A has coordinates x1, y1 and point B has coordinates x2, y2. You have to find the distance between these 2 points, and that distance is given by distance formula. The distance formula is like this. The distance AB is given by square root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is your very important formula. We will be making use of this formula in this question number 1. So you have to learn this formula. This is called as distance formula. Now there is a special case of distance formula. If suppose one of the coordinate of either of the 2 point is 0 comma 0, means the point is at origin, and the other point is x comma y, then this distance formula, if I apply this distance formula, x2 minus x1 will give you x minus 0 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square will give you y minus 0 whole square, which will give you square root of x square plus y square. So this is the distance formula for if one of the point is at origin. This formula we have obtained from this formula itself, distance formula itself, but we apply directly by writing the distance between AB as square root of x square plus y square. One of the coordinate is 0 comma 0, the second point coordinate is x comma y. The direct formula you can use if one of the point is at origin. It will be like this, square root x square plus y square, right? So this formula we will make use in this question. The first question says find the distance between the following pairs of points 2 comma 3 4 comma 1. So let us take the first part. This is your point A. I name this 2 comma 3 as point A, so I write down A bracket 2 comma 3. Point B, I write down like this, B bracket 4 comma 1. Now I have to find the distance between these 2 points. So AB distance will be given by the same formula which I have explained you earlier. You write down this formula, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now A for the point A, this is your x1 comma y1. For point B, x2 comma y2. So just substitute these values in this distance formula. x2 minus x1 means 4 minus 2. So I write down 4 minus 2 whole square. Plus y2 minus y1 means 1 minus 3. So I write down bracket 1 minus 3 whole square. Just solve it out. Next page step में you will write it down like this. AB will be square root of square root of 2 square plus minus 2 whole square. Just solve it out. 2 square means 4 minus 2 square means 4. So 4 plus 4 gives you 8. So this is square root of 8. Now do the factorization. 2 into 2 into 2. So AB will become pairing ho gaya. This one of the two will come outside the bracket. So you will get the answer as 2 root 2. So this is the distance AB equals to 2 root 2. This is your answer for the first part. Now look at the second part. Second part में the two coordinates are minus 5 comma 7. B point is minus 1 comma 3. This is A and this is B point. I have to find the distance between these 2 points. So again I write down the distance formula AB square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This formula I can also write it as x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square, because if you do the squaring of x2 minus x1 or x1 minus x2, you will get the same answer. Same for this y2 minus y1 or y1 minus y2 whole square. But suppose I am writing x2 minus x1. How will I do this question? This is your x1 comma y1. This is your x2 comma y2. So substitute the values in this formula. So x1 minus x2 minus x1 will become minus 1 minus minus 5. So I write down bracket minus 1 minus minus 5 and of course whole square. This is of the formula, plus y2 minus y1 means 3 minus 7. So I write down 3 minus 7 whole square and square root. So AB, next step में minus 1 minus minus will become plus. So minus 1 plus 5 whole square plus this will give you minus 4 whole square. Next step AB equals to, this gives you 4 square. This is your 16. So this becomes 16 plus 16, which gives you AB equals to root 32. 32 can be written as 16 into 2. Square root of 16 is 4. So I can take out 4 outside the square root sign. So your final answer will become AB equals to 4 root 2. So this is the answer for your second part. Come to the third part. Third part is the two coordinates, 2 points are, point A is like this, A comma B, point B is minus A comma minus B. Again use the distance formula, AB will be given by, this is your x1 comma y1, this is x2 comma y2. So x2 minus x1 will become minus A minus A. So bracket minus A whole square plus y2 minus y1 means minus B minus B. So bracket minus B whole square. Next step, AB equals to square root minus A will give you minus 2A whole square plus minus B minus 2B whole square. Next step, minus 2A whole square will give you 4A square minus 2B whole square will give you 4B square, and this is square root. Next step, you can take out 4 common from these two terms. So square root of 4, inside the bracket you will have a square plus b square. This 4 will come outside the square root sign. Square root of 4 is 2, so I take it out from the square root sign. So this becomes 2 square root of a square plus b square. So this is your final answer for the third part. I hope it is clear to you. Bye bye.